Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about x equals to the square root of a plus b over a minus b, and we have about sine t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about a plus b over a minus b sine t square. A minus b, a minus b, we cancel. A plus b, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Now we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we keep about this one, and we multiply by cosine t dt. First the derivative of sine t, that's about cosine t. Now I will put this one go in here. Dx we change by this one. So this one we have a plus b over a minus b, and we have sine t square. So a minus b over a minus b, and we have a plus b. So a plus b, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we can change into cosine t square. This is about trigonometric identity. Cosine t, we simplify. So a plus b, that's about the square root of a plus b to the power of 2. Now we need to simplify a plus b on numerator and denominator. Now the square root of a plus b multiplied by the square root of a minus b multiplied by a plus b, we will have about 1 over the square root of a square minus b square in here. And this one we can put into secant of t dt, because 1 over cosine t, you got about secant of t. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of a plus b over a minus b. And we have s multiplied by the square root of a minus b over a plus b. And this one we have sine t. And now we can find the value of t that is equal to our side of this one. So we put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.